From Nitendra Singh, News Night Desk, DD India.
All right, time now for all the news related to the COVID-19 pandemic in India.
The HRD ministry has issued guidelines to states and union territories regarding education of migrant worker students who have returned home during the COVID-19 pandemic. The ministry has asked to ensure that their names are not struck off the school rolls. The states have also been asked to prepare a database of children who have left the local area for their homes in other states or other parts of the same state. Indian Railways has created post-COVID coach to ensure safety of passengers. The rail coach factory in Kapurthala has developed and designed the coaches. It has designed improvements like hands-free amenities, copper-coated handrails and latches, plasma air purification and titanium dioxide coating for COVID-free journey in the trains. Bihar government has announced complete lockdown in the state from July 16 to 31st. Deputy Chief Minister Sushil Kumar Modi has announced the decision after a spike in coronavirus cases in the state. Essential services, however, will be exempted during the lockdown. In Punjab, travellers coming to the state for less than 72 hours will now be exempted from the mandatory 14 days home quarantine. The decision has also been taken to provide concession to facilitate students wishing to come for examinations or business travellers who stay in the state is less than 72 hours from the time of their arrival. However, they only need to submit a formal undertaking at the border checkpost. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal has inaugurated a plasma bank at the Lok Nayak Jayaprakash Narayan Hospital for the treatment of COVID-19 patients. It is the second such facility in the national capital. The Chief Minister said that plasma therapy is really helpful in saving lives in this disease. COVID-19 patients can donate their plasma after 14 days of their recovery by following proper medical instructions. A low-cost COVID-19 testing kit developed by Indian Institute of Technology in Delhi is ready to be launched on Wednesday. According to the Institute Director, IIT Delhi is the first academic institute to develop a COVID-19 testing method, while it gave non-exclusive open license to companies for commercializing the test but with a price rider. Indo-Tibetan Border Police has conducted yoga classes for coronavirus patients at Sardar Patel COVID Care Centre and Hospital in Delhi. In this largest COVID care centre, inmates are being taught yoga to reduce stress and boost physical strength to fight against the virus. ITBP has also released helpline number for ITBP call centre at the facility. Those who can't maintain social distancing at home or any help related to admission at the COVID care centre can contact on the helpline number 011 266 555 47. A resident of Bidar district in Karnataka, Dr. Allama Prabhu, has taken up a unique task of distributing masks as prasad at temple premises every day. He says that the district is also witnessing huge surge in positive cases and it is the responsibility to ensure safety. He distributes about 1,000 masks as prasad every day in the temple premises.
All right, moving on, the Union HRD ministry has announced guidelines for online classes in schools.